hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, I do wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, reviews, hauls, live streams, giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. So definitely head and check out that. The link will be down below if you've not entered already. Also, please leave your comments and thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. So today, as you can see, we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 Graceful Sage. So this was very kindly sent to me for review. The owner reached out to me and asked me if I would do another review, and I said, of course. So Graceful Sage, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. It's $19.99 a month, and it is just a way to spread love, kindness, and to pay it forward, which I think is amazing. I love the message of this subscription. And the items that you receive are more for other people, really. Like I said, paying it forward. She is now including one hand stamped that she does metal item in each subscription. So I think that is fantastic. So just to let you know what to normally expect in each of these, you, like I said, now are going to receive one hand stamped metal item. You'll receive a card and an envelope, a postcard, a magnet, a high quality sticker, and then there's a note of inspiration with a dollar bill. And I think that that is amazing because it's kind of meant for you to put somewhere, drop on the ground. So you never know who's gonna find it and what message it may send to that person. So I think that something like that, I honestly believe the person that may need it the most is the one that will find it. And I think that that is fantastic. So let's get in here and see what August 2019 is about. I think the color of this little mailer is beautiful. So let's get this open. There we go. Okay. So oh, I was wondering if I could feel something sticking. And it's just a note from her, and I hope you find the new value added, making this box even better. The hand stamped item is my way of showing you, the subscriber, my appreciation. Enjoy, love, Kate. So that's what I was saying, is that this subscription is more, most of these items are more for you to give to other people, and like I said, pay it forward. So now she is including a little something for you, the subscriber. So I think that that is fantastic. So we have everything here out of the bag. So we'll just set that there. She does always include a little candy, a little sunshine mint. And then here is the logo. It says, "Hi, I'm Kate. I'm so glad you decided to give Graceful Sage a try. I know you won't regret it when you start to feel the difference you're making in the lives around you simply by paying it forward. I started Graceful Sage in the summer of 2016 as a way of putting love and kindness back into the world, one note at a time. I've always been a creative and thoughtful person. Coming up with ways to show others they're loved and important makes my heart happy. With Graceful Sage, the monthly subscription box, I'm able to help others do the same by providing the tools to help them spread love and kindness to others in their lives, which in return will make them happy. Kindness is a powerful thing, and I believe that That kind of power can change the world one person at a time. Isn't that amazing? And it's so true. So, so true. So, let's see. Okay, so that goes. So everything is tied up or wrapped up here. And it says, Happy Mail is here. The theme is Begin Again. So you get the greeting card, the postcard, the magnet, the sticker, the dollar bill with a note, and the keep one, give one notes. My hope is that with each piece, you'll think of someone who needs it, and if not, leave it for a stranger or send it somewhere that you received great service. And you can follow at Graceful Sage on social media, so on Instagram and everything, to see how others are paying it forward this month. I think that is amazing. So there is the card. All right, so here is the sticker, and I love this. It's simple, but I just love this. And this is something I just really like. Made for more, because we all were. And then the magnet is gorgeous. It's like this watercolor, like tealish, greenish to blue. It's very, very pretty. And it says, You've got this. And we all need to hear that sometimes. I don't know about you guys, but me, especially as a mom, sometimes I really need to hear, You've got this. So if I need to hear it, I'm sure there are others that do as well. So and then here are the keep one, give one cards. And let's see. You are the only you there is, the beauty, the strength, the imperfections. Your story matters. You matter. So be brave. Do more of what makes you happy. It's never too late to begin again. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. So, so much. I think that that is amazing. And it's so true. It is never too late to begin again. Each day can be a new chapter, a new start. Each hour can be a new start. So, but there are 2 of them, or actually there's 3 here. So, but you keep one for you kind of as a reminder, set it somewhere where you'll see it, and then you have 2 to give. And then we have, this is the little card, and you see it's already got a stamp here on the envelope. This is cute. I love the simplicity of this. This is a blank card inside, so you can write whatever you need. But if you just want to send a I'm thinking of you card, or whatever the case may be, or you've got this card, you can put the magnet in here. But it looks like notebook paper, and it says just breathe. I love that. Like I said, it's blank inside, but it does come with the envelope with the stamp. I just think this is amazing. And then the postcard, which the stamp is not on this time. It's obviously there, but some people, from what I've heard from her, actually really like these 5x7 cards more to kind of sit around, because they do have more inspirational quotes on them. So they may not want to send it, but they may want to send the next one. So she sends the stamp just in case. But again, this kind of the watercolors going from like a really pretty orangey coral to pink and to almost red is beautiful. And it says, in this space, we rise by lifting others. I love that. Love, love, love that. And then, like I said, the stamp is included. And then here we have, this is the dollar bill with the card. This is kind of, like I said, you could give this to someone you know that may need it, or this is something, you know, give to as a tip somewhere, or just set it somewhere, you know. put it on a shelf randomly somewhere in Target. Put it wherever. And like I said, this is the item that I truly think whoever really needs to find this is going to be the one to find it. And this message this month, I think, is amazing. It says, you are loved as you are, no matter what. So that is amazing. And she always puts a dollar bill. So how awesome is that? But again, that's a great way to, you know, if you received good service at Starbucks or Dunkin' or somewhere, or even Taco Bell, hand it to the person at the drive-thru window. It's just a little way to pay it forward. Again, I love that. And then, so the final item, like I said, she is now including a hand-stamped metal piece in every bag or every subscription. And this is really pretty. This is just, it's like a flat pebble that says begin again. So that's something you could put in a little trinket tray. It actually says pocket pebble. So if you need to keep this in your pocket or in your purse, or like in my car, I have a little compartment kind of just above the, what is that? The reverse, the drive thing. I don't want to say gear shifter because it's an automatic, but that thing. But I could put that there, and every time I'm in my car, I could look down and think, oh, I could begin again. You know, if I need to, if I want to, I can. So that was the Graceful Sage for August 2019. Let me guys know what you think down below. I just think the positivity and the love and kindness and the pay it forward message that this subscription offers is amazing. And it's just, you get a card, you get the postcard, you get the take one, give, or keep one, give one card, you get the little card with the dollar to pass on, you get the magnet, you get the sticker, and now you're going to receive some sort of hand-stamped item every month. I just think it's awesome, and I think you can't help but to smile and feel joyful and feel like you want to pay it forward when you open this and read these different messages. I just think it's amazing. So again, that link will be down below. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.